Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Welcome back to the Sunday Blog, the loosey-goosey video of the week where I show you random clips. Let's get into everyone's favorite segment.
It's Snack Corner, the place where we find snacks we might like, or you just watch me put things in my mouth.
Okay, so I love Cheez-Its, but I just found buffalo wing Cheez-Its. Yeah, this is a game changer. I think these are new. This is the first time I'm seeing them. They're delicious. I love them. Now for the misadventures of Billy and Lucy, who are sometimes chill, but sometimes not so chill. That's us. Who gave dogs permission to ask for pets? I feel like this is a new occurrence. It's all over the internet. Look at them. Entitled. What is the entitlement of this? Look at this. Hey, don't stop petting me. Incredible. And now to a new segment called Human Crossing, where I show you clips of me playing Animal Crossing. This is my house. I'm starting a band. These are my auditions. None of us are very good. I don't think Bam's gonna be my lead singer, and I don't think that Flora is a good saxophone player. I'm not a good guitar player. I excel at the pan flute, as we will see. These are my lead singer auditions. I'm getting better at the pan flute. But neither of these two, I think, are going to be my lead singer. Out of nowhere, I think my lead singer, really shockingly, because they're not my favorite person, but they are very dedicated to the craft of singing. This is gonna be my lead singer, Muffy. Check her out, rocking it. I'm getting better at the pan flute for sure. So I've got my lead singer, and this is me starting a band. That's pretty much it for this week. Very random. I've been spending a lot of time on this game. If you are playing Animal Crossing, let me know. My friend code will be in the description. Add me. Let's visit each other. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!